You got it. You got it. Actually, we can come from that area,
Yeah, that's what I want.
going to the other
Yes,
side.
yes.
See them? Did you see them?
Yeah,
This is actually from here,
okay.
going to the other side. But we are not from this mountain. We are on the other side before. Yeah, so that's why it's a bit. It's a bit. What is that? Somewhere sleeping went down. This is a unique light colored hexagonal rock columns. Yes. While most of the world's hexagonal rock columns are composed of dark basalt, which is low in silica or silicon dioxide content, the Hong Kong specimens are made up of highly siliceous, light-colored acidic volcanic rock. Geologists are divided in their opinions about the origins of the rock that forms the hexagonal columns in Hong Kong. Some suggest it is tuff, which was formed from hot volcanic ash in the caldera that cooled and solidified. Others suggest it is for pyroclastic lava, a product of the last stage volcanic activity formed by masses of viscous lava that rushed into the caldera from volcanic vents and subsequently cooled down. So they have this dark basalt columnar rock in Northern Ireland, UK, and this is the light colored acidic volcanic rocks columns of Hong Kong. Yes. So I am going down to the Est Dam Reservoir. Yes. Yes, so this is the hexagonal rock columns that we found here at the corner. Yes, so you can see hexagonal rock columns as this is the name of the rocks, hexagonal rock columns.